Hey, what's up guys? This is the new GoPro Hero 10. It comes with the GP2 processor, which is a new processor for the GoPro. I have the GoPro Hero 9, which is using the older GP1 processor, which still works fine. It's just the interface is a bit laggy. I mean, you get used to it, but it would be nice if they made it buttery smooth like a cell phone, and that's supposed to happen with this new GP2 processor. They've also increased the frame rates. They've doubled the frame rates for each resolution. So 4K on the Hero 9 was 60 frames per second, where now it's 120. 5.3K on the Hero 9 was 30 frames per second, which is now 60. So they've pretty much doubled the frame rates. It's still waterproof up to 33 feet 10 meters, and it's also the exact same shape as the Hero 9, and it uses the same battery, which is nice because I pretty much bought extra batteries for the Hero 9, which will work for this. And you know, it comes with all this stuff, which I'll open up so we could see. I'm also going to take some photos and videos to review it and give you guys my opinion, so stick around to the end. And this is pretty much a list of stuff that it does. It has hypersmooth 4.0, and I'm actually curious about this because the Hero 9 has hypersmooth 3.0, and that's already crazy smooth. So I wonder how much better hypersmooth 4.0 is going to be, or is it even going to be noticeable at this point, because GoPros honestly do a phenomenal job of stabilizing the video. It's ridiculous how much they stabilize the video. But yeah, this is a list of the features. It has voice controls, slow-mo, it has timewarp 3.0. If you're doing long distance trips and stuff in the car, that's a pretty cool feature. Or if you're just kind of taking some rides and stuff with the scooter or something else in general, it's actually a pretty cool feature where it records every so often, and then it gives this nice, cool, speedy look. And auto upload, which the Hero 9 has if you have the GoPro Hero subscription, basically. Anyways, let's open this up and see what's inside. So just like the Hero 9, it came in a case, so very similar setup, which is nice. Let's see what this is about. So you get some instructions and stuff, how to connect it. Sure, you get some stickers, you get a manual, and let me actually put it this way: your camera must be updated before you can use it. Yeah, so they have the Quick app, which I already have installed on my phone, which connects to this and updates it. Starting with the Hero 9, they've vastly improved it, because with the Hero 8, I wasn't too happy about that. But with the Hero 9, it updates no problem. Alright, so you get your little clip. So, man, that was kind of stuck on there. But yeah, you could attach this somewhere, slides in, you're good to go. Oh nice, it comes with 2 batteries. That's pretty awesome. So I already have a few extra batteries and stuff, but it's exactly the same battery as the Hero 9, which is pretty nice. I'll put product links in the description below as well. And let's actually see what else it comes with. So this one would basically slide in here. You would open this up, slide in, and then you would, well, once it snaps in, you'd close this up and it wouldn't move, and then to take it out, pretty self-explanatory. Let's see what else. So you get these anchors. You could pretty much tape this to a helmet if you want, double-sided tape. And oh, another one for this as well, which is nice. That's cool. And let's see what the camera looks like. Oh, making me struggle for it. And this is the stand. That's pretty much it. Okay, let's actually look at the stand real quick. I think this one opens up to be like a tripod. Yeah, you could probably, yeah. So you could increase that and decrease it. That's kind of cool. I have a few of these, not this one in particular, so that's good I don't have that one. But yeah, oh, and this one comes with the USB-C cable. So USB-A to USB-C, if you guys are wondering. Alright, let's look at the GoPro itself. Okay, so you get your front-facing camera. It's exactly the same as this, like literally, except this is blue, which is kind of cool that they did that, because now if you have the Hero 9 and you're like, oh, which one is it? You won't second guess because you'll know it's blue, because it literally looks, well, I mean, you get the 10 on the side as well, but the fact that it's blue is a giveaway. Oh, I also got this just because this makes it easy and I can access this charger, but with this it's not waterproof, so you do have to be careful, but it's just very convenient because I could just plug in the USB-C without opening this up. I'm sure that will also be compatible with this as well. So this is how you open that. Pop in the battery. This is where your micro SD goes, and this package actually came with 2 micro SD cards. So I'll just open one up. So slide it in, pop it in, and you're good to go. And you can replace this as well, so you just pop that off like that, and I could just put this one on there if I wanted to. Okay, so it does fit, which is awesome because I really like this one. But I'll put its normal one back. Alright, so the batteries don't come charged, but I had batteries for my Hero 9, so I could just turn it on. So first impressions, this thing is very, very smooth. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculously smooth. When I click stuff, I can actually, it's crazy. I'm not used to this. I could get used to it, but I'm not used to it. Okay, I feel like my cell phone is still a little bit smoother, but it's still very smooth. Because when I click on this, it recognizes it right away. So this is where you change your frame rates. You could come up with your own custom way of filming. Your lens, hypersmooth and stuff. Duration, sure. And you know, this is where you pretty much adjust your settings. And when you're done, you can make your own as well. If you scroll down to the bottom, you press plus, you can make your own as well. And this is where you turn on the boost mode, which makes it incredibly stable. And as well as photo mode, video, and this is that time-lapse mode where it does this cool fast forward kind of look to it. And if you slide it from the top down, this is where your menu is. You can also go to the right. This is where you could change your options and stuff. Pretty cool. It's very responsive. When I move like that, it's very, very responsive. Let me just do a quick record. I will say that the cell phone is still a bit smoother than this, which is understandable because I'm pretty sure the cell phone still has more powerful processors than this. And if I slide up, there it is. I will say that the cell phone is still a bit smoother than this, which is understandable because I'm pretty sure the cell phone still has more powerful processors than this. Starting with a bright sunny day, recording at 4K 30 frames per second, everything looks crisp, sharp, just really, really good, as you would expect from the latest GoPro. Now time for an audio test with the waterfall. Normal quality sound, no attachments, everything out of the box, and it's normal. Nothing special, but normal quality. So time for the hydrophobic test. So I put the lens cover underwater and I'm gonna pull it out shortly, and you can see it clears up right away. So they did make this hydrophobic. Lens looks good right away as soon as you pull it out of the water. Then I submerged it into the water, left it there for a few seconds, and took that out, and it still cleared up almost instantly. Jumping into the hypersmooth 4.0, you saw a bigger difference when I was showing it on the grass, but I also wanted to show it on the asphalt, and you could see there's less of a difference here with the stabilization off on the left, with the hypersmooth on the right. Yes, the hypersmooth does look a little bit better, but there's not that big of a difference. But generally speaking, I do like to keep stabilization on with the GoPro, and it really does a good job of stabilizing the video. Jumping into the low light video quality, so I took a recording of the freeway at night, and honestly it came out pretty good. It's not too noisy or anything like that. There is some light around, but overall very pleased with the performance. And finally, the photo test. So in low light, I took a picture of the guitar and it didn't come out that great. If I did the same picture with a cell phone, with one of the latest cell phones like the Galaxy S21 Ultra or iPhone 12 Pro or Pixel 5, it would come out way better than this. So there's definitely room for improvement for low light photos. Now when I turn on the spotlight, the guitar gets much more crisp and clean, and when I turn on the second spotlight, everything, pretty much the guitar comes to life, and this is what the guitar looks like in real life. So as long as there's abundant light, the picture quality is good, but with low light it could definitely use some improvement. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and be on the lookout for the GoPro Hero 10 versus the Hero 9. Thank you guys for watching.